Today I will bring to life the images of the Second World War and tell you what is happening on them. A Red Army pilot and his navigator discuss an action plan. Residents of the city cheerfully welcome Soviet soldiers to the liberated city. Soldiers of the 312th Infantry Division before the liberation of Smolensk. The partisans are awaiting orders to attack the German positions. They watch movies in the field to forget a little bit about the chaos of those times. During the pass, Soviet sailors listen to the orders of their commander. Captured German soldiers are sitting and wondering what will happen to them next. Soviet partisans before a new attack on German positions. Soviet soldiers received letters from their families and are joyfully discussing what was written to them. A column of Sherman tanks and Su-100 self-propelled guns in Berlin. Before the storm of Operation Bagration, the soldiers catch their breath, resting now, fighting soon in 1940. The German commanders-in-chief are going to sign the Act of Surrender in 1945. If you liked it, please like it and write your opinion in the comments. I'm waiting for you again. Wait for new videos on my channel and watch the old ones.